Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you for joining me today. So I've just finished filming this look using all my get ready with me shop my stash products, but mainly it was this palette here. So it's the Deck of Scarlet, I was going to say Urban Decay, Deck of Scarlet and Kristen Leanne palette. So they did a collaboration together and the eyeshadows I've used are in here. But we're not going to talk about that today. I've just done a video on it and that will be going up really soon. But I think this video that I'm going to be doing now will be going up sooner than that. Actually, no, it won't be. Just ignore what I said there. No, it won't be. This look will be going up sooner. So yesterday I put up this video. Yesterday I put up a mini haul and I got this from Boots. So it's the Xxposure highlighter multi-dimensional powder. It's got a net weight of 0.52 ounces and has 15 grams worth of product. My shade is in the shade Reactive. I think that's the lightest shade that you can possibly get. So I thought that one would be better for me. They've got 3 different shades. This looks absolutely beautiful. And I did say yesterday I would be doing a dedicated video to the highlighter. Now when I get new highlighters and the kind of higher end, I do like to do kind of a dedicated video, first impressions, and let you know my thoughts on that particular highlighter. I've done it with the Ofra ones, and I did it with the Doll Beauty one. So it's the Revolution XX one. So we're going to be putting this on the face. This retails for £12, which isn't extremely high end, but it is higher end than what they would normally charge, because it is kind of like the higher end products. It's kind of, I think it's kind of like a professional line for them. Even though that they've got Revolution Pro, I think this is also kind of like a, you know, a more professional one. It looks beautiful. It's got a really nice mirror, and then this is the highlighter, so it's pink. So it is more for my skin tone. I have already done a swatch on it. I'll do another swatch. It blends into my skin. It's so nice. It's really creamy and buttery. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop it on the face. I've got all my makeup done. I'm just going to use this brush here. Oh yeah, I always forget the name of the brand. It's called Carla. And it's a crease brush 115. I did used to use it as a crease eyeshadow brush, but my highlighter goes on really well with it. So let's just, ooh, wow, she's pigmented. Right, so bits of glitter in it straight away. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera, but definitely glitter aspects in there. She is pigmented. Right, and there we have it, guys. So it was just a quick video really to show you this lovely highlighter. Obviously I'm going to be using it a lot more. I think I'm going to pull it for my weekly shop my stash on Wednesday. Weekly shop my stashes used to go up Monday, but because I do that 5 days with, I want the 5 days with whatever eyeshadow palette to go up all together. I don't want them like to go up not together and have a weekly shop my stash in between. So I've kind of been putting my weekly shop my stashes up on a Wednesday or a Thursday. So I think I'm gonna just continue to put them on a Wednesday. I hope you're okay with that. So yeah, I think I will be pulling this out for Wednesday. What I'm going to do, I've said that in another video, but this week is going to be a different shop my stash. So what we're going to do is we're going to randomise what what products I pull out. I've never actually done that while I've been doing weekly shop my stashes, and I've been doing them for over a year now. So I thought about what can we do differently, what can we do to jazz it up, and I just thought to myself, well, why don't I get pretty random to pick some of my products out. I do it with the lipsticks, so why not do it with my entire collection? But there are some products that I actually want to use, like there's this obviously the newer products I want to use, so there's this one, and then there's the Bretman Rock palette, and then there's the W7, what's it called? Violet Nights, is it? Violet Lights. This one, I don't know whether to use this one or the Primark Peachy one. I think I might wear, because I've been like using a lot of purple eyeshadows lately, I think I might bring the Primark Peach one out, because kind of summer's almost over and I've not used it. I did only buy it a few weeks back. I've just not used it yet, so I might bring the Primark one out. And then bring this one out next week. But this is just such a beauty. So yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. And again, that's the highlighter. Really like it. It's a really pretty highlight. £12, is it worth it? On first impression, I would say it's definitely worth £12. The packaging is really luxe. Like I said in yesterday's video where I talked about the products that I picked up, this packaging reminds me of something Kiko would do. It's like it resembles their packaging in my mind. And you know, you don't buy a product for a packaging unless you're me, that is. I didn't see what the packaging was. I only saw the front. Obviously you can't, wrong way around, obviously you can't see what these things look like anymore, and I didn't see this on Revolution's website because I had no intention of buying it. And I went into Boots and I'm like, oh, they've got highlighters there, and I am a magnet for highlighters. I absolutely love highlighter. Some might say I'm a bit obsessed with it, but yeah, I wanted to try it out and I didn't realise what the packaging was going to look like. All that's important when you buy a product is how it is inside, like what the highlighter looks like. And when I got it on, I looked at it and I just thought, how beautiful is that? I didn't realise it had glitter on. Even like when I swatched it, I didn't realise it had glitter on. It has specks of glitter in it. Can you see it in the mirror? Let's have a look. Yeah, you can. I mean, is it noticeable? Not from a great distance, no. But yeah, you can actually see that it's got glitter in it. So if you're not a fan of highlighters with glitter in, which normally I'm not, then I wouldn't recommend it. But because I have it, I do want to play around with it a little bit more and give you my genuine thoughts. Maybe at the end of September just do a round of the newer highlighters that I've got in my collection and tell you what I think of everything. And yeah, this concludes the video now, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. It really does mean a lot that you have. If you've not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button down below. Click the notifications bell. I would love to have you here on my channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.